Have you ever noticed how stress seems to have a target on some of us, hitting harder and more frequently? Welcome to HealthPops, where today we embark on an informative journey to explain the science behind effective stress management. Get ready to transition from a state of stress to one of serene tranquility. Meet Keegan, a nurse who was in the trenches during the peak of the pandemic. Faced with endless shifts and bearing the heavy emotional toll of patient care, Keegan found themselves on the precipice of burnout. However, the discovery of scientifically supported stress management techniques provided Keegan with a lifeline. Join us as we trace Keegan's path from the edge of burnout to becoming a master of balance and harmony. Did you realize that the impact of stress on your body can rival that of physical diseases? If you're ready to reclaim your inner calm, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own experiences with stress in the comments. Let's embark on a collective exploration of the scientific discoveries of stress relief together. Tip 1. Explore deep breathing techniques. The art of deep breathing goes beyond the commonly known 4-7-8 breathing technique into diaphragmatic breathing. This approach involves taking intentional, deep breaths from your diaphragm, stimulating your parasympathetic nervous system to reduce stress and welcome calmness. For effective practice, find a quiet space, sit comfortably or lie down, place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Inhale deeply through your nose, ensuring your belly rises more than your chest. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Incorporating this into your daily routine, especially during moments of acute stress, creates an inner resilience to stress. Tip 2. The power of progressive muscle relaxation, PMR. Progressive muscle relaxation, also known as PMR, serves as an effective technique for fighting both physical and mental stress. It involves a two-step process, tensing each muscle group forcefully but without straining for about 5 seconds, and then releasing the tension suddenly and noticing the muscle relax. Starting from your toes and working your way up to your head can help identify and lessen stress you weren't even aware of. Incorporate PMR into your bedtime routine to pave the path for a restful and deep night of sleep. Tip 3. The benefits of nature therapy. Surrounding yourself with nature, known as nature therapy, harnesses the healing power of the outdoors to reduce stress. This isn't solely about breathing fresh air, it's about resetting your perspective and grounding yourself in the natural world. Make a habit of spending time in green spaces, whether it's a park, a garden, or the wilderness. Even a few hours a week can lead to significant reductions in stress levels, improvements in mood, and physical health benefits. Engaging in activities like hiking, gardening, or simply walking through a forest can greatly increase these effects. Tip 4. The role of regular exercise. Exercise is a cornerstone of stress reduction, acting as a physical manifestation of shaking off stress. The endorphins released during exercise naturally combat stress and anxiety. Identifying an activity that you enjoy, be it yoga, which combines physical poses with breathing exercises and meditation, or more vigorous activities like running or dancing, can make exercise an enjoyable part of your daily routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, or if short on time, 3 10-minute segments can be just as good. Tip 5. Discovering mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation offer a refuge from the chaos of daily stress. These practices involve focusing your attention on the present moment, often through guided imagery or focusing on your breath, to ground you in the now, reducing stress and anxiety. Begin with short 5-minute sessions each day, gradually increasing the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Many apps and online courses are available to help guide you through various techniques, from mindfulness meditation to body scan meditation or loving kindness meditation. Tip 6. Nutrition's role in stress management. What you eat significantly impacts your body's stress response. A diet rich in whole foods such as omega-3 fatty acids from fish, antioxidants from berries, and magnesium from leafy greens and nuts can bolster your body's resilience to stress. Aim to reduce processed foods, including caffeine and sugar, which can increase your stress levels. Keeping hydrated also plays a crucial role in managing stress, as dehydration can lead to increased cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for 8 to 10 glasses. Tip 7. The value of a digital detox. Our constant connectivity can feed into our stress levels. Setting up a digital detox, which involves setting aside specific times when you step away from all digital devices, can significantly lower stress and improve your quality of sleep. Start with small increments of time, like during meals or 1 hour before bedtime, gradually increasing to longer periods as you're able. This break from digital stimulation allows your mind to reset and can improve your overall well-being. Tip 8. Embracing social support. Sharing your experiences and feelings of stress with friends, family, or a support group can provide a sense of relief and belonging. Engaging in social activities, even through digital means, can elevate your mood and fortify your body against stress. Don't underestimate the power of a simple phone call, video chat, or social gathering in providing a sense of connection and support. Did you know laughter genuinely serves as a powerful antidote to stress? Engaging in laughter therapy through activities like watching your favorite comedies, sharing jokes with friends, or attending a laughter yoga class can significantly reduce cortisol levels and boost your mood. Aim to add moments of laughter into your daily routine as a simple yet effective stress management strategy. Tip 9. Effective time management. Mastering the art of time management can act as a barricade against stress. Start by prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance, setting realistic deadlines, and breaking larger projects into manageable steps. Adding regular short breaks throughout your day can help prevent burnout and maintain productivity. Through the journey of Keegan, we witness the transformative potential of these stress management strategies. As we each navigate our paths through life's stresses, which of these methods resonates with you? We're eager to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Tip 10. Creative outlets for stress relief. Creative expression offers a powerful means of managing stress, providing a channel for releasing emotions and fostering relaxation. Whether it's through painting, writing, crafting, or playing music, find a creative activity that rings with you and dedicate time to it regularly. This practice not only reduces stress but also enriches your life with beauty and personal expression. Tip 11. The importance of quality sleep. Sleep and stress have a direct relationship. Managing one can significantly improve the other. Establishing a relaxing nighttime routine, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises, can prepare your body and mind for sleep. Ensure your sleeping environment is productive to rest by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet, and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Embark on a quest for a healthier, more balanced life with HealthPops. Dive deeper into your wellness journey by clicking on our next video. Subscribe to join our community where the quest for wellness is guided by scientific insight. Together, we can transform stress from a hindrance into a catalyst for growth.